During sleep, the energy output of the brain does not change significantly. The waves of activity that it produces are slower than when you are awake. But the deeper the sleep, the higher the amplitude. Your brain isn't turning off when you go to sleep. Rather, it's shifting into a different mode of activity. After you fall asleep, you remain in deep, delta wave sleep for about half an hour. After this, your brain begins stepping up its rate of activity, producing fewer delta waves and more theta and beta waves. Now, you are back in stage 1 sleep. At this point, a remarkable set of changes occurs. The activity level of the brain becomes very much like that of someone who is awake. Lots of energy shows up in the alpha range. This is called REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. While the brain becomes very active at this point, the muscles in most of the body become deeply relaxed. The muscles that control eye movements are an exception. The eyes become very active, darting back and forth, up and down, as if rapidly scanning something. These rapid eye movements are the feature that give the REM sleep stage its name. This is also the stage at which we dream.